In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix delivery issues in Gumroad. If a customer says they didn't receive their product, don't panic. In most cases, the issue comes down to a small delivery problem that you can verify pretty quickly inside your Gumroad account. We'll walk through the main checks you should make to identify the cause and help the customer get access to their purchase. First, sign in to your Gumroad account and open the sales section. Find the customer's order and carefully check the email address used during checkout. This is important because if the email was entered incorrectly, the delivery email may have gone to the wrong place or failed to reach the buyer entirely. If you notice the address is incorrect, ask the customer to contact you with the correct one so you can continue helping them. Next, stay in the sales area and open the order details to confirm the payment was successful. Check the payment status closely. If the payment is still pending or if it failed, Gumroad will not deliver the product until the transaction is completed. This helps you quickly tell the difference between a delivery problem and a payment issue. If the payment has gone through, the next thing to do is resend the receipt. Open the customer's order in sales and look for the option to resend the receipt or resend the email. Sending it again gives the customer a fresh download link, which often solves the problem right away. You should also ask the customer to check places where the email may have been filtered. Have them look in their spam or junk folder, their promotions tab if they use Gmail, and even their trash folder. Sometimes the message is there, just not in the main inbox. After that, check the product itself. Open your product dashboard and verify that the correct files are uploaded. Make sure nothing has been removed and that there aren't any broken links replacing the original files. If you need to make corrections, save your changes before moving on. If your product uses an external download link instead of files uploaded directly to Gumroad, test that link yourself. Open it and make sure it works properly and doesn't require extra permissions that could block customer access. If the link is broken, update it. For large files, it's also worth checking whether the upload completed successfully. If needed, compress the files into a zip file, re-upload them, and confirm everything finished properly before publishing. If everything looks correct and customers still can't access their purchase, gather the order details and contact Gumroad support. Include the order number, a clear description of the issue, and screenshots if available. That will help speed up the investigation and get the problem resolved faster.